Hello guys, my channel name is Anna Crypto and welcome back to my channel. I am here with a new token review which name is Illumination token. It's the best token. In this token I will tell you about the token website review and about the roadmap, about the contract, when it will launch. It will be a private launch, pre-sale and something else. All the information including about this token I will tell you. Okay guys, so if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon. So let's start the video. So you can see on the screen, here is the shining a light on cryptocurrency literacy. And then Illumination was developed by the people for people to ensure everyday investors as well as educated and knowledgeable about all the aspects of cryptocurrency investing. So they are talking about the cryptocurrency investment. We are not financially, and so I just read out these lines, and here they have written that uh, you have to invest, but before investment you can do your own research about the investment, about the coin is good or this project is good or not. Illumination goal is to provide investment tools, strategies and helpful hints to help guide you along your investment journey. Development of education tool, videos and media are just a few examples. So whenever you want to invest in some projects, it's some good projects, you have to see the roadmap. And here they are asking about the more information or additional information is available for review in our roadmap. So before going to the review of roadmap, we are here with a tokenomics. So here is 100 trillion supply, no initial burn, 0% tax and no reflections are included. So how to buy, how can you buy? You can buy from MetaMask, from wallet of Coinbase wallet. So they are telling about Coinbase wallet and Trust wallet is good for this. Uh, Here you need to deposit the Ethereum. Make sure you have enough ETH in your wallet for both swapping and network fees. On the third step, you will see Uniswap. Uniswap is the exchange. So on Swap ETH for Illumination, connect your wallet to Uniswap and simply swap your ETH to Illumination. So here you can see the roadmap. In roadmap, stealth launch website in phase 1. In phase 1 you will see stealth launch, website launch, white paper launch, 2000 holders, CoinGecko listing, CoinMarketCap listing, Twitter, Facebook launch, full certic audit will be announced. In the phase 2 you will see the first quarter 2022. Retain marketing promotions, 5,000 holders, 10,000 Telegram members. Website will be upgraded as soon as you will see increase of everything like content structure, like website will be upgraded, marketing will be increased and much more. In the third phase you can see the channel is growing up, the members are increased, and about the marketing, about the about more exchanges you will see. So in the fourth phase you can see 15,000 holders, smart contract reader app and TBP. So you can follow them on Twitter and Telegram. So it's your choice, either you want to earn or not. If you want to earn something, so you can earn in by holding this token you can generate a good income or profitable income. If you hold, you will earn more and more. And the dates are not confirmed about the launch. They will announce on their Twitter or Telegram. You can join them on the Twitter and Telegram. I will give you all the links in the description. If you hold this, you will generate a good amount. You should install external MetaMask and connect with it. The extension will be needed. About their strategies, you have seen all the strategies in the roadmap. They are going well and good. Website will be upgraded after they start doing marketing after their launch. So this is the video of Illumination token. So guys, this was the review of the Illumination token. If you like my channel, if you like my video, please press on the like button, and kindly if you have any of the question, please you can comment on the comment section. So I will give you all the links in the description. Kindly follow these on Telegram and Twitter also for new announcement. We'll soon meet again. Goodbye.